Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of onions. Yes, you heard right, onions, those juicy and pungent bulbs that make our eyes water and are essential in so many of our favorite recipes. But did you know that onions are much more than just a culinary ingredient? They are a true nutrient mine and have countless health benefits. So, let's peel back the onion, so to speak, and find out what's so special about this everyday food. But first, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any new content. The onion, also known by its scientific name, Allium cepa, is a plant native to Western Asia, and its use dates back over 5,000 years. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians already recognized the value of onions, both as food and medicine. Isn't it amazing how something so common in our diet has such a rich history? In antiquity, the onion was revered for its medicinal and magical qualities. The Egyptians considered it a symbol of eternal life, while the Romans used it to treat various health conditions. Can you imagine the onion being used this way today? Fast forward to modern times, the onion still holds a prominent place in our kitchens, not only for its taste but also for its health benefits. Yes, you heard it right. Onions are incredibly good for our health. But what exactly are these benefits? Onions are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They have anti-inflammatory properties, can help control blood sugar, and even contribute to heart health. Ever wondered why we cry when we cut onions? This is an effect of the sulfur compounds present in onions, which also have antibacterial properties. Amazing, right? But how can we make the most of these benefits? One tip is to try to incorporate onion into a variety of dishes. It can be eaten raw in salads, cooked in soups and stews, or even roasted. Onion is a versatile ingredient that can enhance the flavor of many dishes, while providing health benefits. Now, a question for you: what is your favorite way to use onion in the kitchen? Leave your comments below, we'd love to hear your ideas. Powerful antioxidants. Onions are rich in antioxidants, including quercetin, a flavonoid that fights free radicals in the body. This helps to reduce inflammation and can decrease the risk of chronic diseases, like heart disease and certain types of cancer. Heart health. The onion is an incredible ally for heart health. It contains sulfur compounds that can protect against blood clotting, while quercetin helps to regulate blood pressure. Plus, onions are rich in fiber and potassium, both important for cardiovascular health. Bone health. Studies indicate that onions may help maintain bone health. They contain a type of polyphenol called flavonoid, which is believed to promote bone density and health, making them particularly beneficial for postmenopausal women, a population at risk of osteoporosis. Preventing and managing diabetes. Preventing diabetes is also among the benefits of the onion. A large meta-analysis conducted by the Plant Resources Research Institute in Korea found that onion extract can help combat diabetes. Regular consumption can help reduce plasma glucose concentrations and body weight. They help control the level of sugar in the blood released into the bloodstream and prevent insulin resistance. Antimicrobial properties. Onions are also known for their antimicrobial properties. The sulfur compounds in onions can be effective against several bacteria, including E. coli and S. aureus, and may also have antifungal activity, reducing the risk of arthritis and asthma. Onions can contribute to the prevention of conditions such as arthritis and asthma, acting as a powerful anti-inflammatory food. If you suffer from painful inflammatory diseases, such as arthritis or asthma, onion is one of the best vegetable options for your diet. According to the National Arthritis Foundation, the quercetin present in onions may be particularly useful for people with arthritis, as it inhibits the production of inflammatory leukotrienes, prostaglandins, and histamines, which can exacerbate pain and swelling. Potential fertility improvement. Antioxidants positively influence sperm health, and onions can be a natural resource to increase fertility. In a study conducted by Azad University in Iran, the impact of onions on rat fertility was investigated, observing a significant increase in total testosterone, as well as in the concentration, viability, and mobility of sperm in rats who consumed large amounts of onions for 20 days. Onions are, verifiably, one of the vegetables with the least contamination from pesticide chemicals. Therefore, it is not essential to opt for organic onions if you are looking for a healthy and authentic diet. Onions have a long shelf life and can be stored on your counter for about a month before beginning to deteriorate, making it a convenient food to store and preserve. Remember, however, that it is important to consume any food, even natural ones, in a balanced way. Incredible, isn't it? The humble onion, often seen only as a sidekick in our dishes, is a nutritional superstar full of health benefits. Whether in soups, stews, salads, or sandwiches, try to incorporate more onions into your diet to take advantage of all its health benefits. So, the next time you're chopping onions and your eyes start to water, just smile and remember all the incredible benefits those tears will bring to your health. And that's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this informative and friendly tour on the health benefits of onions. Stay tuned for more health and nutrition tips. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Take care and see you next time.